Let's explore the different ways of organizing code in Python. We're specifically looking for the mechanisms rather than best practices. I have a project open that we can use to explore these concepts. I'm going to open up a couple of files so we can take a look and see some of the lower level concepts. At the lowest level, we basically have functions and we have classes. Functions in Python always start with the def keyword, and classes always start with the class keyword. And these are ways that we can group related functionality in one place and give it a name so that we can refer back to that and organize things based on those names. Moving up from those levels, the next level up is a module. A module in Python is also a file. So every file that ends in .py is also a module. A file or a module can have any number of classes or functions inside that we can export and then import into another module or another file somewhere. So files and modules are the next level up in terms of organization. The last level up is going to be our packages. Packages are sometimes equated with folders in Python. So in this case, I've got a package called app and a package called tests. Now what is important is that a package needs to include the init file, __init__.py. It can be empty or it can have code in it, but that tells Python that this is a package, not just any old folder. Those are the different mechanisms available. You could argue that the project is also an organization technique, but that would basically be the highest level that we have in terms of organizing code for Python. So again, to review, we've got functions, we've got classes. These are the lowest levels. From there, we've got modules or files, and then above that, we can create packages, which need to have an init file, and a package is a folder.